Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is, as I told you, that are you aware that the half early examination will be held in mid-September?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you enroll yourself in SNAP homework with your own name, not with your parents' name. Is it clear to all of you? SNAP examination will be held through the SNAP homework app only. And you have to get yourself enrolled by your own name. Okay. So, as I told you in narration, direct and indirect speech, you have studied narration. Have you written all the notes? All
Yes,
the
ma'am.
rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, from narration, you will not get separate sentences. You will get these kind of questions. Means you will get a conversation and you have to apply the rules of narration there. Instead of writing Mona said, it is written in the dialogue form. Is it clear? Julie said, Mona said, ऐसा नहीं लिखा हुआ, वो dialogue form में लिखा हुआ. And you have to change in indirect speech. So today we will practice this. And so read the conversation given below. Based on your reading, fill in the blanks. So this is a conversation between two friends, Julie and Mona. So Julie is asking, when is the fancy
Excuse
dress?
me, ma'am.
क्या Ananya?
Ma'am, there is a girl in waiting room.
Okay.
Ma'am, named Kaushiki.
Okay. I'll admit her. Okay. So you have to read the conversation. Based on your reading, fill in the blanks appropriately. So Julie is asking Mona, when is the fancy dress competition in your school? Mona, it is after 2 weeks. So first one is already done for you as an example, how you have to do it. So first one is already done for you. Julie asked Mona when the fancy dress competition in her school was. As I had told you, that the word order changes when you change the sentences with question word. याद है ना सारे rules? Question
Yes,
word
ma'am.
से जो sentence start होगा उसमें if whether नहीं लगेगा. तो ये भी पहला जो हमारा question है, it is beginning with a question word. So you will not use whether if, you'll use the same question word and the past tense. And you'll change the word order. Is will come as the last was. To that Mona replied that, how will you
Ma'am,
change?
it was after 2 weeks.
It was
Yes.
after 2
It
weeks.
was after 2 weeks.
Yes, Sugan, correct answer. It was after 2 weeks. Julie inquired whether. See, now, are you taking part in it? This is a yes/no question.
Whether she was taking
Whether
part
she
in
was
it.
taking part in it.
She was taking part in it.
yes/no question है ये, तो whether हमारा use already कर दिया गया है. तो Wait, Bhavya answer. Bhavya, are you present? Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Prashant answer. Prashant.
Ma'am, which?
This second one, whether B. Prashant.
Ma'am, can I?
Who? Shreyasi.
Yes, ma'am. Whether.
Wait, let Prashant answer. Those students who don't answer, I want to. Prashant, tonight. Prashant, are you able to hear me? Whose mic is unmuted? Mute yourself. Priyanshu Raj ka hai shayad. So, whether Priyanshu answer? Priyanshu Raj? Priyanshu Raj?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Advit?
Can I
Yes,
answer,
ma'am.
ma'am? Can I, ma'am?
Chalo, Shreyasi ne. Shreyasi, you answer.
Okay, ma'am.
And whether she was taking part in it.
Yes, whether she was taking part in it. She was taking. Priyanshu Raj Patel, mute yourself. Priyanshu Raj Patel, mute yourself. She was taking part in it. Mona said that. Mona said that she was taking part as an engine driver. So this one is already done for you. Yes, I am taking part. तो यहाँ am जो है देखो was में बदला है. So these things you have to keep in mind. Yes, I am taking part as an engine driver. So that is changed as she was taking part as an engine driver. Julie asked, why have you chosen that? Who will change it?
Ma'am, why she had chosen? Ma'am, why she had chosen that?
had chosen that?
Answer in chorus. I will point out your name. Advit answer.
Why she had chosen that?
Why she had chosen that? Why she had chosen that? If you answer together, no one will be able to understand what you are speaking. So asked why she had chosen that. She answered. Okay, Anuj Sharan answered. Anuj Sharan. She answered.
So that she can. She answered so that she can reach. She could reach later.
Yes, can will change to could. You have to keep that in mind. That can changes to could. She answered.
Yes, ma'am.
So that
she could reach later.
She answered so that she could reach late. So from narration, direct, indirect, you are going to get these kind of questions only. So don't get confused if you get a conversation that what we have to do in it. You just have to apply the rules of narration on the passage. Then a second one. Father, this is a conversation between father and son. So father, how was the interview? Son, I have performed well. There were nearly 100 candidates. Father, are you confident that you will get the job? The board members are friendly. They'll let me know the result in 2 days' time. So first one has already been done for you as an example. The father asked his son how his interview had been. See, this is already past tense. No, this is past tense. How was the interview? So this has been changed to past perfect. You had written the rules. Past changes to past perfect, isn't it? So how was the interview? So it is already in the past tense. So you will change to past perfect. How the interview had been. The son replied that, Bhavya, you answer. Ananya, okay, Ananya answer.
Yeah.
Ananya,
Yes, ma'am. The son replied that he had performed well and there were nearly 100 candidates.
Yes, that he had performed well. He had performed well. Have changes to had. He had performed well and there were. There were.
मैम वर चेंज नहीं होगा had been में.
Had been. There had been. Because were is past. It will change. There had been nearly 100 candidates. Were is past tense. It will change to past perfect. The father wanted to know.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Wait, Advit, you have already answered, I think. Bhavya, you want to answer? Bhavya? Do you want to answer? Yes or no? Reply. Then I will give someone else a chance.
If he was confident, he
Yes.
would get the job.
Yes, correct answer. If he was confident that he would get the job. If he was confident that. Why do you hesitate? Your answer is correct. If
Yes, ma'am.
was confident that he would get the job. If he was confident that he would get the job. The son replied that. Who will answer?
Ma'am.
Sugandh, you want to answer? Sugandh, you got a chance, I think. Those who have
can
not answered. Aditya Raj hasn't answered today. So Aditya, you answer.
When the son replied that the board members were friendly.
The son replied that the board members were friendly. The board members were. So you have to keep in mind this R will change to were. Were friendly. R. This R will change to were. Were friendly and said that. Second part, who will answer? Pragya. Pragya, answer. Pragya, you want to answer?
And said that, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And said that they would let him know
They
result in 2 days'
will
time.
change to? Will changes to?
Would.
Yes, they would let
Would.
him. Yes, that they would let him. So personal pronoun will also change. This me will change to him. They will let him know the result in 2 days' time. So from narration, you have to practice this kind of exercise. One more we'll do, then we'll do some other kind of exercise. So our school is, this is again a conversation between two friends, Raj and Sujit. Here an example is not done, you have to do it. Our school is celebrating its annual day tomorrow. Who will change it? Aditya Raj ko chance mil gaya. I want some new volunteers. Those who haven't answered today, come on.
Ma'am, can I?
Pragya, you have answered today. Priyanshu Raj. Anuj has also answered. Priyanshu, can you hear me? Priyanshu Raj. Hello. Anushka Singh, you haven't answered. Chalo, abhi answer. Our school is celebrating its annual day tomorrow. How will you change it? Anushka?
Yes, ma'am. Raj and Sujit
Raj, Sujit.
celebrating it.
R will change to what? R will change to?
and there.
Yes, there.
And there.
R will change to there. School. Anushka, is will change to what?
R.
No, is and are both are present. Who is scribbling?
Was.
Was.
Who
Was.
is scribbling on the screen? Wait.
Was celebrating its annual day tomorrow.
Some of you don't have any work. You just want to disturb the class, scribbling on the screen.
Was celebrating its annual day tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
And tomorrow
changes
will
to
change to the next day.
Today.
Day.
Next day, sorry.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Okay. Then Sujit wanted to know to
Can I?
Aditya. Okay, Aditya. Anushka, किसने? I want some new participant. निर्भय प्रताप, चलो आज तुमने आंसर नहीं किया. Sujit wanted to know. Okay, who wants to answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Pragya. Okay, Pragya answer.
Sujit wanted to know who was his chief guest.
Your here means
Ma'am,
it's plural. Function is not of his personal. Wanted to know who was their chief guest. To know.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Here your refers to who was their chief guest. Raj replied that our chief guest is the Honorable President himself. Who will change it? Who will change?
Ma'am, me.
Ma'am.
I want.
इसको आंसर करना है, बताओ.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Can
Who, Advait?
I can.
किसको आंसर?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I?
I asked first.
Wanted.
Okay, Advait answer. Advait.
Raj replied, yes, ma'am, I am answering. Raj replied that their chief guest. Raj replied
Yes,
that
yes.
their
Continue.
chief guest was the Honorable President himself.
Yes, that their chief guest was the Honorable President himself. So you change these two.